how to create an account on Reddit. So what I've gone ahead and done is opened up my favorite web browser for myself. That's going to be Google Chrome. And all I've done is done a Google search for Reddit. That's Reddit. Then the first link that should pop up, www.reddit.com, is the option that you're going to want to click on. Give it a sec to load here, and it'll bring you up to the Reddit homepage. Okay, from here in the upper right hand corner, there's a sign up option. You're going to go ahead and select on that. And it'll say, by having a Reddit account, you can join, vote, and comment on all your favorite Reddit content. So then you're going to go ahead and put in your email that you're going to be associated with your Reddit account. So give me a sec here. I'll go ahead and put in mine. Okay, then I'll go ahead and select on next. And then it'll ask me to choose a username as well as a password, and then confirm that by doing the CAPTCHA. So I'll go ahead and put in my username here. So now I've gone ahead and chosen a username, howtoal.official, as well as my password, and verify that I'm not a robot using the CAPTCHA. I'll now go ahead and select on the sign up option. And now it'll ask me to find communities that I am interested in. You can always, of course, go ahead and skip this by selecting the X in the upper right hand corner, which is what I'm going to do right now. And then give the page here a second to reload. And boom, you have created your Reddit account. You'll notice that you are now howtoal_official if you're me, or your username that you use when you create will sign up will be in the upper right hand corner right here. So that is how you go about creating a Reddit account.